Hey everyone, welcome to my kitchen and welcome back to my kitchen if you're regular. Today we're going to be making churros, so let's get started. Hoy vamos a hacer algo dulce, algo rico. Muchos lo saben, este rico postre se llama churros. Voy a mostrarle lo fácil que es hacer. Vamos a empezar. We're going to need 1 cup of water, una taza de agua, 1 cup of flour, una taza de harina de trigo, half a cup of butter, media taza de mantequilla, a 1/4 cup of sugar, 1/4 taza de azúcar. We're going to also need an additional 1/4 cup of sugar with a 1/4 cup of cinnamon. Además, vamos a necesitar la misma cantidad de azúcar y canela en polvo. A pinch of salt, una pizquita de sal, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, una cucharadita de vainilla, 2 eggs, 2 huevos, and 1 pastry bag, una manga pastelera. So the first thing we're going to do is melt some butter. El primer paso es vamos a derretir la mantequilla. Next, we're going to add in 1 cup of water. Siguiente paso es añadir una taza de agua. Next, we add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Siguiente, una cucharadita de vainilla. So 1 cup of flour, una taza de harina. Y we're going to mix everything together. Vamos a mezclar todo bien. When it forms a wet dough and it doesn't stick to the pot, then you know it's ready. Cuando forma una masa mojada y no se pega a la olla, entonces está lista. Now we're going to remove it from the pot and we're going to put it in a bowl and let it cool off. Ahora vamos a quitarla de la olla y vamos a enfriar para unos momentos. Para mezclar la masa, no necesitas una máquina de esta. Puedes usar una batedora de mano, una cuchara o lo que tengas. To mix this dough, you don't need a stand mixer. You can use either a spoon or electric hand mixer. It looks like I'm going to have to change my attachment, so can you guys give me 1 minute? And I'm sorry for the little hiccup here, but I have to change it because I see now that my dough is not mixing too well. Perdóname, voy a cambiar esto accesorio porque no sirve muy bien. I usually use this apparatus when I'm using the making bread, so I figured it would be the same for the dough that I'm making, but obviously it's not. So you learn as you go, right? My apologies again. Usualmente uso este accesorio para hacer pan, pero no sirve bien para mí, así que tuve que cambiarlo. Okay, este es mucho mejor. So we added 1 egg before, now we're going to add 1 more egg. Añadimos un huevo antes y ahora vamos a añadir otro huevo. We want to mix this until we have a smooth dough. Vamos a mezclar la masa hasta tenemos una masa suavecita. Esto es lo que queremos, una mezcla suavecita y ligera. This is the type of mixture that we want. We want a batter that's light, smooth, and airy. Now I'm just going to remove my apparatus and clean it off a little bit, and then we're going to move on to the next step. Okay, voy a limpiar este accesorio y voy a poner la masa en una manga pastelera. So now I'm going to add my mixture into the piping bag, and if you don't have a piping bag, you can use a Ziploc bag. So now we're ready to make our churros. So I'm preheating my oil, and then we're going to go over to the stove so that we can start frying these babies up. Okay, estoy precalentando el aceite para freír los churros. Now I'm filling the piping bag, and you don't want to overfill it, so just fill it halfway. Cuando llenes la manga pastelera, no la llenes completamente, solo la mitad. So now you're going to push the air out. You're going to push the dough down to the end of the pastry bag to push the air out. Ahora quiero empujar la masa para quitar el aire. Okay, vámonos a la estufa. So I'm just going to test a little bit to see if the oil is hot. Ok, voy a chequear el aceite para ver el aceite es caliente. Necesitas toalla de papel para quitar el aceite, exceso aceite de los churros. These fry up really quick, so don't walk away from the stove. Estos churros freír rápidamente, no se vayan de la estufa. Estos ya se ven bonitos y tienen un color dorados, bonitos dorados. These churros take about 5 minutes to fry, give or take, depending on how hot your oil is. And you don't want your oil too hot because you're going to burn them. Con el aceite no queremos el aceite demasiado, sea demasiado caliente porque los churros se quemarán rápidamente. So now they're ready to be taken out. So you want to just move quickly when you're making these because, like I said before, they'll burn. Ok, están listos para salir del aceite. Muévense rápido porque no quieren quemarlos. So we almost finished frying these up and we're going to get our sugar ready so we can add them to the churros. Ok, casi terminando, voy a hacer un poquito más y voy a ir el siguiente paso. Churros have become very popular over the years. You can even find them in countries like Korea. So if you're ever in Korea, stop by a food stand and buy some churros. Los churros son merienda y es muy populares de hoy. Y se pueden encontrar en países como Korea. Okay, so this is our sugar that we have. And you can either take it and roll it in sugar, or you can put it in a baggie and pour the sugar on top of it, that way with the cinnamon. That's the way I like to do it because it doesn't make a mess. Esta es una manera para poner el azúcar y canela. Y otra manera es póngalos en una bolsa de plástico, en un Ziploc bag, para evitar un desastre. Now, churros, you can eat them alone, or you can make a chocolate a dipping sauce. Or either you can use, sometimes I like to make dulce de leche, and it's really delicious. Los churros son deliciosos con chocolate y a veces hago dulce de leche. Es muy rico. Well, guys, it's been really fun making this video. I want to thank you for taking the time out to watch this video, and thank you for all the support that you've given me. It's been 2 years since I made this channel. I have over 6,500 subscribers. If you want to see more content like this, please donate to my channel. I'll leave a link below. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Bueno, mis cariños, es hora para ayudarme. Gracias por verme y mil gracias por apoyarme. Hace 2 años empecé a mi canal y tengo más de 600 suscriptores, más o menos. Si ver más videos así, pueden donar a mi canal. Dejo un link para abajo. Muchas bendiciones. Gracias. Bye bye.